You just found the 2010 Toyota RAV4. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, locking limited slip differential, stability control. Feel comfortable and confident every time you take the wheel. This RAV4 is ready to go places, and our team is standing by to give you the outstanding service you deserve. Why not stop in for a test drive?